through. Donald Trump has made his position on immigration very clear from the start. He campaigned on the promise of cracking down on undocumented immigrants, and he is following through with that promise. There is no sympathy, no exceptions, no second chances. This is what Donald Trump said.
We are getting the dirtbags off these streets.
We are throwing them the hell out of our country. We have no apologies, and we're moving forward very fast.
Two sources familiar with the planning confirmed it.
Trump is a very, very serious man. As for Jamaicans living in the U.S. without a legal status, this is a warning shot. The risk of deportation has never been higher. Biden administration gave you the chance to get your papers and get straight, but Trump is saying a big no to that right now. So for some of these people who have been in America for years, even decades, many who have built their entire life in America, they have their children, U.S. citizens, they have their jobs, homes, business, and all of these other things.